Day 15, we're going back to Dewey Square. The bridge was super tricky. I think that's it. I couldn't get that first part up the octave, so I took it down for full speed. So there's some really great language in here, and you might hear something different about this melody. Bird's hitting a lot of the sharp 11s, and I think he's basing that off the 2 chord. So a lot of the sharp 11s happen over F7 concert, which if you think about the 2 chord of the F7, our 2 chord is C minor 7. And if we play C minor with the major 7, now we're playing B natural instead of B flat. That B natural is the sharp 11 of the F7. I'm not totally sure, we can't ask Bird, but it sounds like that's what he's doing, and he does it a couple times in the melody, and he also does it in the bridge. Sharp 11 sound creates so much tension and is so nice. I hear Roy Hargrove, one of my other favorites, playing it all the time. I'm sure you hear all of your favorite players playing it all the time too. Very, very cool. That's it for today. Have fun. I'll see you tomorrow. Later.